Vizio Soundbar not connecting to TV. The Vizio Soundbar is a convenient and affordable way to add a discrete audio component to your home theater. The soundbar itself can be placed in areas without much space and offers a simple solution for audio. However, if you're having trouble connecting the soundbar to your television, there are a few potential solutions you can try. 1. Electrical issues. If the Vizio soundbar not connecting to TV or any other device, start with checking if the power is on and then briefly unplug from the wall, wait a few seconds, and plug back in. If there's still nothing happening, it could be that your breaker is off. If the circuit breaker trips, unplug the electronic devices on that circuit. You can reset a trip preset by switching the breaker off and then back on again. If it continues to trip or you see red, you may need to have the circuit replaced. Make sure the Vizio soundbar is actually plugged into a live outlet. It might seem like a no-brainer, but some products require that you plug them into an outlet before you can turn them on. 2. Do a hard reset. Here are the steps to do a hard reset of a Vizio soundbar. There is more to resetting a Vizio soundbar than unplugging it. First, you need to turn off the soundbar. Next, ensure that your soundbar is not connected to anything. Unplug the soundbar from any power source and then hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 10 minutes, reconnect the soundbar to any other devices and power sources and turn on the device. 3. Update the soundbar. Make sure you're running the latest firmware. You can update the soundbar via either the SmartCast app or a computer. Updating will ensure that you're getting all of the fixes for any previous firmware bugs. To ensure you're running the latest firmware on your Vizio soundbar, make sure to download the latest updates by holding down the volume up and volume down buttons at the same time. 4. Factory reset. A factory reset will completely erase the soundbar's settings and any stored media, returning the device to its original out-of-the-box state. This is not preferable, so if you want to save specific settings or media files, create a backup file on your computer before erasing everything. To factory reset a Vizio soundbar, follow these steps. Step 1. Hold the input and the Bluetooth buttons for 6 seconds until the soundbar restarts. Step 2. If the soundbar does not restart after 10 seconds, try holding either of the volume buttons with the input button. This will vary depending on your soundbar model. Please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.
This price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.